Today, we'll explore about expressing opinions clearly for your TOEFL speaking section. First, let's talk about the importance of clarity. Clear opinions help convey your message. You want the examiner to understand you easily. Next, we'll break down how to structure your response. Start with your opinion. Then, support it with reasons and examples. First, state your opinion confidently. Use phrases like "I believe" or "in my opinion." Then, back your opinion with reasons. Why do you feel that way? Use concise, robust points. Next, share an example. This makes your opinion relatable and tangible. For instance, if you think online learning is effective, explain why. You can mention flexibility, accessibility, or diverse resources. Remember to stay focused. Avoid branching off topic. Stick to one clear opinion to maximize your score. Practice is essential. Try different topics and time yourself. This builds confidence and enhances fluency. Let's summarize key points. Start with your opinion. Support it with reasons and examples. Lastly, maintain focus throughout. Now, it's your turn to shine in the TOEFL. Interested in refining your skills? Join our Transform Academy course linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.